Welcome. In front of me is a Poco F3, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now, obviously you can see that the phone that I have right here is locked, and I can unlock it either using the previously set pattern or using the Google account. So there it is. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, what we want to do is back out to the Wi-Fi connection page right here. And you do want to be connected to Wi-Fi, so as you can see, I already am. And once you are connected to Wi-Fi, you want to then scroll down to Add Network. And then in the SSID, you want to type in youtube.com. Like so. Then hold the text, it will select the YouTube text and give you several options right at the top. So what you want to do is choose this one, like a chain link, and this will redirect you to YouTube. From here, you want to tap on the tiny little account icon, go to Settings, About, YouTube Terms of Service, and you want to open it with the Me browser. Skip this and more and agree. And tap somewhere on the screen, and you should be in your Me browser. So from here, right at the top, tap on the field and remove whatever it's there by default, and navigate now to the HardReset.info YT website. So I'm gonna type it in. Once I type it in, you can pause the video just so you can write it down if you need a moment. Like so. So let's go. And just consent here and scroll down, and you should see the settings up right here, obviously. So simply click on it, and this will open up the settings on your device. From here, you want to scroll down to Special Features and choose Second Space. And then tap right here, turn on Second Space. Now, I'll mention while this is turning it on, there is a possibility that it will glitch out and won't work the first time. I did have a video, I believe with Redmi Note 10, where that happened. So if you're interested in how that looks like, you can just go check it out. I basically, to get past this, because it was just glitching out, all I did was hold the power key, and it took me back to the, well, once I rebooted the device, it took me back to the setup screen, and all I did is basically retrace the entire process again, and the second time around it worked just fine. Now, as you can see here, this works a little bit differently than what I mentioned before on the Redmi Note 10, because right here it opened up straight away the first space. This is not the second space. So from here, what we want to do is just quickly look at something. It looks like it's glitching anyway. Never mind. Okay, so from here, once you're on the first space, which you can define basically by the background. So as you can see right here on the background, we do have a normal wallpaper. So with the normal wallpaper, that means that we're on the first space. If we were on the second space, we would have just a static, like bluish grayish background with just single color. So that way you know what space you are on. So anyway, from here I'm gonna see if this will work. That might not. So I'm gonna go into the About Phone section, scroll down and see if we have the reset options, but I don't have it right here. So let's also see additional settings. Yep. So it looks like we still need to do one more thing. So once you're right here, if you don't see anything like in the settings and About Phone, anything related to factory resetting your device, then that means that we still need to do one more thing, which is hold the power key and select reboot. Okay, so let's retrace the same steps again, because we are not where we want it to be. So again, let's scroll down to Add Network, type in YouTube. And that is basically what we're looking for. So as you can see, it also didn't really work here the first time around, but the result of it not working was a little bit different than what I described before. So in here it did boot us into a home screen in a way, but it wasn't what we're looking for. It was just kind of broken. As you've seen, I couldn't go home, and there was options missing in the settings. So once you get back to where we were before, basically go through the process once again after rebooting, you should see this. So created successfully, tap on continue, then you want to select using shortcut and continue, and here simply select skip. And this is the background that I was talking about. So as you can see, it's kind of more of a navy blue. But anyway, once you see this kind of static wallpaper, again, you want to hold power key and select reboot. And you can see that we are right now on a lock screen, which should be a little bit weird. But when you unlock it, it just completely skips the setup screen and takes you straight to the actual home screen. This is the first space. As you can see, there is a wallpaper. So let's go into the settings and then about phone. And as you can see, we do have all the settings now here. So we have factory reset option. Select that one. Then tap on erase all data. Factory reset. Wait the 10 seconds here to press next, and then another 10 seconds to press OK. And there we go. So now the device will begin factory resetting itself. And this will take a couple minutes, so just be patient. Now, once the process is actually finished, we will then be back in the setup screen with the key difference of the device being at that point fully unlocked. So you can set it up however you like, add or skip Wi-Fi connection, and just do whatever you want, how you would normally set up your device. So I'm gonna let this run for now, let it finish, and once it has, I'm gonna come back. And as you can see, now the process is finished and we can set up our device. So I'm gonna go through it fairly quickly, skipping as much as I can. But like I mentioned before, you can set it up however you like. And there we go. As you can see, setup went smoothly and the device is fully unlocked now. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.